Hello. You come up to visit me? It's 23 minutes after 7 o'clock on day 4. She just came waddling up from the lake to say good morning. Check out my site, make sure I'm doing everything right. That is, she gets fed a lot by campers, and she knows there's some good food here. Is this your lake? Is this your lake? Well, thank you for letting me stay here. Okay. That's a fun way to wake up. I've got the interior of the tent all broken down already. All the bedding's put away, and the mattress and the cot, the tables. Even have most of the lines down. I haven't taken out the auger stakes yet. That's kind of loud work, so I don't want to do that just yet. And all I really have to do is fold it down, put it away. The only thing I have on the table right now is coffee and my steak bags and my camping bag to put things away into, and of course the garbage. We're going to get to breaking down, and I'm going to thank our visitor for stopping by. Good morning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Hi, everybody. Today we're going to hike the Limekiln Loop Trail at Limekiln State Campground near Inlet, New York. All right. It's only about a mile and change. I see a blaze for a ski trail here. I wonder if that's it. It's nice to get the poles out once in a while, stretch my legs. Doing a lot of sitting around the campfire this week. It's a beautiful field full of wildflowers. Starting out very nice. Okay. I'll be turning the camera on and off as we change terrain or see something interesting. Thanks for being here. We'll be right back. Okay, they want to make it clear that the trail is going this way. Good, we can get into some shade. The Old Dam Nature Trail. Okay, that's the field we just walked through. Let's go check it out. Nice and shady at least. It's always nice. Oh, I could feel the coolness as soon as I stepped into the forest. Very nice. Bunch of signs up ahead. Okay. The highest sign says Trails 2, Nature Trail, 1.2 miles to the right. Limekiln Swamp Ski Loop to the right, 4.4 miles. South Shore Road, 5 miles. So we're just going to be doing the Nature Trail. It looks like the loop because it's got arrows pointing both ways. And so we're going to turn to the right. And we're going to take the 1.2 Nature Trail. Right? And that's where we should be coming out when we're done. Coming up on our first water crossing here. Cute little bridge all covered with ferns and moss. Very nice. Someplace that a little troll might live. Ask me a silly question. It's a little buggy in here. I did spray up, but I don't think these bugs always know. Okay, these are the blazes that we're following. The Yellow Nature Trail. I don't want to wind up doing a 5-mile loop. Not that it would kill me, but I just want to enjoy myself. Bit of a swampy area with little bridges to get through the mud. Doesn't feel like anyone's been on this trail for a while, judging by the spider webs I've been walking through and the random branches on the trail. It's probably been some time. There's a nice little muddy spot. Lose a shoe in. Ooh, another spider web. To take a little rest. We're at the top of a bit of a climb. There's another opening over there. You can almost feel the heat coming off of it. Could just be psychology, you know, seeing the sun. The frog, they must agree with me. Look at beautiful deep dark forest. I wish you can smell the aroma. Every once in a while I get past the bug spray and I get a good whiff of the decayed trees, the pine needles. It's absolutely beautiful. My bugs are catching up with me. And are they new bugs with every step, or is it the same little cloud of bugs that follow me all the way around the trail? I guess it's a little bit of both. It seems like as soon as I stop, they catch up. I'm like, aha, he stopped walking, let's get him. Or is it just a bunch of new bugs right here? Maybe we can get the government to spend billions of dollars on a study trying to figure that one out for me. At least they can do. That's a joke. We're kind of walking on a ledge here. The hill drops off. I can feel the breeze coming down the hill. Nice cool air. Beautiful. Okay, we are back and we're on a decline now, going downhill through a bit of a pine forest. It's always good to have the poles when you're hiking like this, always trying to keep 3 points on the ground. I find it relaxing. And a little trip like that I just had doesn't cause my balance to go off or for my cortisol levels to go up from fear of getting hurt. And I can enjoy it more. See, there is water down there, a bit of a swampy, pondy kind of thing going on. I wonder if we're going to go down to it. We're starting to flatten out a little bit. Beautiful trail. Very nice. I should have come and done this sooner. It was a very soothing walk. Peaceful. I think that's the word of the day here at Limekiln, is peaceful. It's one of the quietest DEC campgrounds I've ever been to, and you'll know how many I've been to. There's very little, if any, exterior road noise, you know, like a Route 30 kind of road noise. We're far away from that. There's a camp road, but that's nothing. I rarely ever hear it. Now, we're here early spring on a weekday, so it makes sense. I have no doubt if you come here on a Saturday in July, it may be a little louder, Don't be surprised. But from where I'm standing and when I'm standing, boy, I'm the only loudmouth here. I'm the only one I can hear. Pretty big downgrade right here. Take my time. Seems like the bug spray is working. The bugs are around me, but they're not landing. We should be getting to a sign, an intersection, that'll take us back to the beginning of our loop. Or if I wanted to take the longer hike, you could do 5 miles out to the road. I don't think I want to do 5 miles. I think just a little leg stretching is all I need, so I'm going to stay on the nature trail. And there's my blaze right there. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, look at what I just came across. That color green. Think someone lives in there, maybe? Guess that was dropped here by a glacier, well, 10,000 or so years ago. Very possible. Very, very possible. Lord knows how long it's been sitting just like that, right? Oh, what a beautiful breeze I just got. It's like it's just coming right down this corridor here. Another little crossing here, small one. Okay, we got another nature trail tag. So it's good to know that you're on course. Your mind can relax. Love how rocks get caught up in the root systems. It's beautiful. Natural sculpture. Just sitting out here. Ooh, my nose is itchy. Tree pollen, I'm sure. I don't like to take allergy remedies. I just scratch the itch, blow my nose, and get on with it. I guess as I get older, they may get worse. So, well, I may be at the end. This looks like the bridge that we saw at the beginning. Unless it's just another one. I haven't seen any turnoffs for the longer version of this walk. So maybe not. How could I have missed that? Cool bridge. Nice and sturdy. Was expecting a little shakier. Okay. Oh, look out here. Oh, what a beautiful breeze I am getting. Any wildlife? I did bring the zoom camera. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's continue. No, this is not the very end. As I see another bridge up ahead. Nice way to build a bridge. 2 nice logs. Probably right here. And some good planks. Okay. Here's the intersection. So, if I want to go on and continue on the Limekiln Loop Trail, I go this way, and it's 4.5 miles to South Shore Road, 3.8 miles to the Limekiln Swamp Ski Loop. That way. This is labeled for the nature trail, Old Dam Nature Trail. That's confusing. Boom, boom. Limekiln Lake Campground, that way. What's with the 2 arrows, though? I don't get it. Especially this Old Dam Nature Trail that way. Old Dam Nature Trail that way. Is this where we started? Doesn't look like it. Limekiln Lake Campground. That's a ski trail, half a mile that way. Old Dam Nature Trail, that way. That way. Very interesting. Okay. This way it is. I think this may just be the way that I started. So we're going to go back this way just for a little bit, see what happens. Oh, that's not good. Very confusing. I'll look for some signs of me being here. Seasonal trail connections. Trail beyond this point relies on frozen good conditions, not suitable for spring, summer, fall use. Okay, that pretty well answers the question. Yeah, this is for cross-country skiing, and it's really not properly maintained for hiking. So the other way is the answer. Well, easy enough to figure out, I guess. So our nature trail is going to continue here to the right. Yeah, this sign, well, I mean, if it's technically pointing that way, they should have moved this more on this side of the tree. Yeah, well, whatever. Moving along, we get over it. Nice moss-covered ground. Beautiful. Comfortable to walk on. A little diversion here. Nice place to have lunch. Old beaver dam that broke. Very nice spot to have lunch. Look at the widowmaker up there in the tree. It's hanging by a toothpick. It's right over the trail. Walk gingerly. We've been going for a while. I keep thinking that we've gotten to our mile and change or so. I keep passing nature trail tags. And we should be on track. The trail is well defined. I'm not seeing any of my footprints anywhere, so I'm not running in circles. I am seeing a bridge up ahead. It doesn't quite look like the last ones that we were on. Okay. Boy, I can feel the air already. How very nice. Oh, that's better. Beautiful breeze. Looks like there was another bridge here. Just built over it. Was a wash downstream. Hit these rocks. That is gorgeous. That's what we just walked around. It was hot all the way around in the forest around it. Okay. This is where we began. New York State permitted discharge point. What are they discharging? Yeah, we went that way when we started. 1.2 miles, huh? Felt more like 3. I guess I'm getting old. What does this say? So this is a dam. This dam has been constructed to prevent upstream migration of undesirable fish in the interest of better fishing. Please keep off, do not molest. Oh. It's interesting. So they don't want undesirable fish coming up and getting into their fishing. Okay, enough said. I won't mess with it. Okay. Now we just got to make our way back to the car. It's a good walk. All right. Thanks, everybody. I hope you enjoyed taking a nature walk here in Limekiln Campground State Park. It wasn't the Limekiln Loop as advertised. It was a Limekiln Nature Trail, 1.2 miles. The loop was 3.9 or 4 miles, and you could take it out 5 miles to South Shore Road. But if that was 1.2, I don't think I'm ready for 5 miles right now. Now maybe if I started early and I had supplies with me, lunch and such, I would have been glad to do it. But starting at noon in the heat of the day, just wanted to stretch my legs. And that's exactly what I got. A nice stretch. All right. All that is left is to cut across this field. That away. That was the old dam nature trail at Limekiln Campground, New York State Department of Environmental Conservation Campground, near Inlet, New York, way up in the Adirondacks. Beautiful country up here. How I would love to do the cross-country ski trail. That would be beautiful. Thanks everybody for joining me today on trail. If you enjoyed this kind of content, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Share this with your friends, and of course, help to support the channel and make it grow. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And as always, I will see you on the next video. So the tent is all empty. I'm just going to take the rug out this time, make it easier to fold up. The cot, mattress, sheets, pillows, blankets, shoes, laundry, tent bag, canopy bag. We're all lined up. I've got a spike over there, one over there, and one over there to take out before I'm done. Uh-oh. My little friend is coming back. What are you doing, huh? You have fish to go catch, don't you? Nothing over here for you. Alright, so it's time to take down the tent, get that away. I think we're going to go for the early exit today. This is supposed to get stormy up here later, and we don't want to get caught in stormy weather. Alright. How are you? Okay. Well, let's take her down. Come back in a while once that's flattened out. Give it some time. It's 8:21 on day 4. I'm about 98% packed up. I just got to check for debris that I might have left behind. Stuff on the table is all that's really left to pack. I'm just making a cup of big coffee to go on the... Okay, battery change. Yeah, I'm just in the middle of making a very large cup of coffee for the road. I've got some hamburger buns in here and a couple of things of canned food, canned beans, canned corn. That's not going to help me on the ride, but I think that I'll be able to hit a Stewart shop on the way out, get some food. But the coffee, sugar, all of this stuff will be packed up. And the way I've got things rigged up, that box is right here, ready to receive. And the garbage will go right on top. And the water bottle. The chair goes in one of the side doors on top of everything. Alright. That's where we stand at 8:24. Right next to Limekiln Lake. Hey, get you a nice shot of that island. That may well be our last look at Limekiln Lake. It's early, but I want to get home before there's some stormy weather coming. It's not getting here until noon, 1 o'clock. But my concern is if I leave here at 9, that gets me into the tri-state area, downstate, by the city, by 3 o'clock, which might be very stormy there when I get there. So the sooner I get out of here, the less time I spend in stormy weather, right? I think that's going to be my guiding light for this ride home. And once again, it's going to be a bonsai straight through back to my home on Long Island. That's all right. We did a lot here. This is a good trip. We found some dispersed camping. We hiked the local loop trail in the park. We explored all the campsites here and spent 4 days camping. Well, 3 days, 4 nights. No, 3 nights, 4 days, including now. I'll probably wind up mixing this in with some footage from day 3 to make a decently lengthed video. But we'll see. The coffee's been made. Might have to spill a little bit out of this so I can get some sugar in. That's it. About 5 more minutes of packing up. There's a few items on the table. And we're on the road. I'd like to take this moment to thank you very much for spending your valuable time with me here today. These last 4 days at Limekiln Lake. I hope you're enjoying this content. The site tours and the deep look at all the amenities that are here at these DEC campgrounds. These are your campgrounds. These are my campgrounds, right? So I gotta clean this lens off. Hold on. Everything gets smudged and humid, including me. Well, as I was saying, these are your campgrounds. These aren't the state's. These belong to the people. And a lot of people don't even know that they're here. It's a very inexpensive way to spend some time getting back to nature. I believe this one's $22 a night, maybe $24. A few more bucks if you're out of state. Worth every bit. So, as I was saying, thank you very much for spending your valuable time here in your state campgrounds. Here comes another car. There's always a car, no matter where I go. Hold on. So I hope that this information is valuable to you. If it is, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to be seen by more people around the country. You can share this with your friends. It would be very nice. I'm sure they might enjoy checking out these parks and maybe getting out here themselves. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below. I do read all comments. I don't always get to answer them all. If you ask me a question, I'm more than likely to answer it. And the best thing, absolute best thing that you could do for the channel is to subscribe. We're getting really close to 7,000, and I'm hoping by the end of this season we're looking at 10. And we could have a real celebration. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next video.